What I'm showing you is how we in the Philippines put tarmacs on our road. So you can see what this man is doing, just putting on the liquid thing so the tarmac will stick. Unsa kay tawagan na imong butang? Ah, okay. So that's the liquid thing that they put in, and that's the pile of tarmac, and that's the roller on the top that you can see is rolling on the tarmac that they spread about. So because we have a problem road on this one, it's been cemented, but it was corrupted by the contractor, and we were told that the contractor was not paid by the government because it's all pots and cracks because there's less cement on what they've done. Now the government, our counselor there, is doing his best to patch the road that was let down by the contractor. So that's the liquid thing, and we have only a few trucks allocated by the city government, but that's why not all the parts of the contractor that the bad contractor's job is sorted. Only the major one, which is this road, got loads of cracks and holes that you need to drive in the middle of the road to avoid the big potholes that was created by the weak cement. So in here you can see the tarmacing, in which of course you can see that it's different from how you do it there abroad. There's a lot of labor spreading it all out. And there's the roller that does it instead of just leaving it all up in. I've seen it in some YouTube channel how they do the tarmac abroad, but this one is all manual. So you can see that this tarmacing is done by the city government because the rolling machine have the city hall logo. But at least it is done now. It's been a long time that we've been requesting our barangay officials to sort out this road. You can see that the other side is still very thin, but the major holes is where the roller is, and the other people here are spreading out the tarmac, and while they're on the front, they're putting it on the liquid that where the tarmac will stick on. So like he's just doing it every day. This has been going on for like a week now, starting from the top. It's about 2 kilometers of this has been covered by a tarmac after the contractor that done the road cementing have not done a good job by leaving it so weak. So you see there's a lot of manpower involved just to level up the tarmac. It's actually more of giving people jobs than leveling it in one quick pour. Okay. So you got some thick parts, and because it's all just manually leveled. Because what I saw in America or in some YouTube channel, like there's the truck is leveling it, pouring the tarmac, and then the roller is following in the back. But this one is all done manually. Alaga, hindi ako ga. So there. So you can see a lot of manual work is needed, but it's giving more the people jobs than, so they'll have earnings for the day. Another batch here. Konsihal, salamat kaayo. Natarong jud among daan. Hello. So you can see the difference of the road. This is what it looks like before it was covered with tarmac. And it was until here. Now you can see the different road. This is a different contractor again. And it's not cracking up like it was there. It's all pebbled up. That's why it needs to have tarmac on top, because it's got big holes and cracks that you tend to drive in the middle. So big trucks are stopped to go through while they're working on it.